Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Let's refine a flower petal using the direct selection tool. Select the petal path and active anchor editing. Pull the top anchor upward to sharpen the tip and also adjust the handles to soften the curves. Widen the petal using side anchors. Refine the bottom anchors for smoother flow. Bend mid segment to add organic movement. Zoom in to correct distortion and also shape handle angles for symmetry. Now fix uneven curves step by step. Balance left and right edges and adjust handles length evenly. Finalize overall petal counters. Add slight curve polishing. The petal now looks natural and beautifully shaped.